Alright, no better time to do the video right now. It's about 7:45 in the morning, nice and cool. I'm gonna totally avoid the hot afternoon sun, so I'm actually quite excited to share with you guys my stage 1 build for my Birdy. It's finally complete, and next week I'll be sending in the Birdy for, I think, for what would be the complete setup for my Birdy. But as it is right now, let's just dive into, you know, the enhancements that I've made so far. Okay, so let's just start with the fold. Not super good at it, but still. There you go. Now the advantage of having these rollers here, as you can tell, it effectively allows you to make the Birdy stand like a regular Brompton. So this is actually quite convenient, and I really like this modification done on the Birdy. So again, and then boom, nice. And then you can go like backwards and forward with no issues at all. Really quick overview of what I consider the stage 1 upgrade for my Birdy. You can see that I've enhanced it with some Color Plus parts and some Rydia parts. This is the Color Plus bottle holder that I installed, and I've got the Color Plus front suspension as well as the Color Plus rear suspension. Now I've got these Rydia wheels, so you can see I can just push this in and then I can pull this out. And I've got the bicycle skewers. That's the Rydia bicycle quick release skewers. I also included a cat eye sync core, so when I turn this on, it's supposed to synchronize with the rear lights as well. Okay, and this thing comes with an app. It's a lot easier to upgrade the firmware via Windows versus Mac. So that's some tip for you. So you can see it turns off immediately as well. Also, on the cranks, Rydia cranks, I upgraded this to a 52 teeth front ring. Now what will be up next? Obviously the next major upgrade that's gonna happen sometime next week would be the group set. I will be changing the rims obviously to 20-inch. It's gonna be a Color Plus 20-inch rims, and I'm gonna change the rear derailleurs and the shifters to the Shimano Altegras, and what else, slick tires. So that would be the major upgrade, including Magura brakes as well, because right now I'm still running the regular brakes. And then obviously the pedals have been swapped out, so I've got a lot more paddling surface. And what brands are these? Let's see, it's more top. Also, I didn't install a bottle cage because I find it extremely unsightly. I actually installed this instead. It's called the Fit Lock, so you can see. Boom. Okay, one more time. If I want to remove it, all I do is just like that, comes off, and want to snap it back on. goes back on. Okay, Fitlock is available in Singapore. I got it from this website called thepmcycles.com. Nice guy, lives somewhere in Pasir Ris. It's basically an online store. You don't have to wait too long. Place your orders online. You can do like self-collection or even have it sent to you via post. So that summarizes whatever that I have done to my birdie so far. I'm sorry it took a while for me to do the video. You know, the weather in Singapore, it's quite it's not really that conducive. If you're going to be doing videos outdoor, it can get really hot. But anyway, I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I shared it with you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a like if you found it informative. As always, subscribe. Take care. Bye.